Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about add-on deals, also known as purchase with purchase deals. We're going to find out what exactly is it, how to set it up, and where does it appear on your store. Now an add-on deal or a purchase to purchase deal is a great way to increase the order value of your customers. Now let's see how this works. Let's say a customer adds a product to cart. Now you'll notice that there's a space right here. This is where, if you have it configured on your store, your cross-sell products will appear, as well as your add-on deals bundles, right? Now, if you have both cross-sell products and add-on deals configured for your store, cross-sell products will appear on top and your add-on deals bundles will appear below, right? So this is our suggestion, right? In order to focus or to get your customers to focus on your add-on deals, please deactivate cross-sell products for the time being, right? Because you don't want your customers to compare options, right? Now you may ask, what's the difference between cross-sell products and add-on deals? Well, with add-on deals, your customers have the added motivation to purchase the products or to add the add-on deals products to cart because of a price reduction or discount. Cross-sell products do not have that. Now let's see how we can configure add-on deals for your store. So go ahead and click the products link at the top gray bar here. This will lead you to the manage products page. Now scroll down and select a product which you like to add the add-on deals bundle to. I'm going to select this leather handbag here by clicking the bundling items link below it. Right, you'll see a pop-up window, right, requesting you to select items to add to the bundle. So select the items, all right, and then click the add this button. Okay, give it a couple of seconds to process, and then you'll notice that there are two icons appearing below the selected items. The first one is the pencil icon, which is to edit the item. In this case, it's the price, right, and the next to it is the trash can icon. So if you like to remove an item from the list, you can just click the trash can icon and it's removed. You can add that item later on, okay, back into the bundle, right? So remember, just now we spoke about the difference between the cross-sell items and the add-on deals items, right? So difference is actually the price. Add-on deals, the price has been discounted, so it's an extra incentive for customers to buy. So in this case, the next step is to give a discount. So I'm going to give a bit of a discount right here, and you must click the edit icon, the pencil icon, to save the changes, because if you don't and you close the window, the changes will not be saved. Okay, give it another discount here, and remember to click the pencil icon to save it, right? So once it's done, you get the that little notification right there. You can close the window, just refresh the page here, and you can see that there are two bundling items added. Let's just check, see what it looks like, right? Okay, I'm going to add this item to cart. All right, view cart. You should see the two items appearing right below it. Now, what if you like to add the same bundle to products in a category? So let's see how to do that. Okay, we're back here on the Manage Products page, and if you scroll on to the leather handbag, you'll notice that there's bundling items. You can see, okay, the two items that were added earlier. I'm going to click the link again, and before we proceed, I'm going to add this item back into the bundle, right? I'm going to click add this, and then I'm going to wait for it to be processed. Okay, it's processed. Going to remember to give it a bit of a discount. Save the changes by clicking the pencil icon. Yeah. Okay, it's done. Okay, so the next step is to add this bundle to selected categories, right? So I'm going to click this button right here. Okay, I'm going to select category. It's going to be the bags category. And I'm going to add bundling items to selected categories right now. Okay, so you'll see there's a listing at the top to confirm which products the bundle has been added to and which products the bundle has not been added to. So green means yes, it's been added to these products, and red means it's failed to add to these products here, right, on the list. And there's an explanation. It's because it's already there. Remember, it's a leather handbag, so the shades, the pumps, and the bracelet have not been added to this product because it's already there. All right, so if we go back to the manage products page, right, you can see, right, you can see, yeah, it's been added here, it's been added here, right? So if you want, let's say you like to remove the bundle from a particular product, you can just go to that product which you want to remove the bundle from. Okay, in this case PRD 51, click on it. Maybe you want to remove just one item from the bundle, or maybe you want to remove all of them. You can. Okay, just click on this, the trash icon. Okay, close it, update, just refresh the page, and you notice it's gone from here, but it's still there on the other products. Now if you like to remove the bundle from all the products, you can. Okay, just click the link, okay, like I did just now. Okay, click add products categories, right, and then choose the or select the category, click remove all bundling items from selected categories. Okay, click that, confirm it, and it's done. Okay, so you can just go back to manage products and check and see it's all gone, right? All have been removed. All right, so give it a try. All right, see you in the next video.